It's craft time. Today we're going to make hot air balloons that your toys can take a ride in. Here I have one that I created. There's the basket and there's the balloon, and they can go on a nice ride. I think this will be fun. All you need for this craft are some market baskets. I have been eating a lot of fresh vegetables and fruits like strawberries, and I've been saving these. These are great for using for crafts. You need some yarn, scissors, and some pieces of paper for this, like we've been using. Now you can start out with your strawberry basket. I'm going to use this one this time, and you're going to just put your yarn through the holes that are in the basket. So I'm going to thread the yarn right through this corner right here, and if I put the yarn in there, I started out with 2 pieces of yarn that are about the same length, and there it goes right through that corner. And now I'm going to thread it through the corner that is just diagonal. Here it is, just across. So we're going to try that and thread it right in there to get the end, and thread that right through. Once you have that threaded through, you can hold it up and test it to see if it balances. That's pretty good. I think that'll hold my toys really well. I'm going to tie a knot right at the top, but you can also use tape to hold that together. There we go. That's the basket. I'm going to test it out a little bit. If it's a little tippy, you can change where the string is to make sure that it sets up just the way that you want it to. There, that's pretty good. Now I'm going to cut out my balloon shape out of a piece of paper like this. I have one that I already cut out of a piece of orange paper, or you can use your green paper, whatever color you like, and just use your scissors to cut that shape out. It's kind of like the shape of a light bulb. So that's a great thing to do, and you just cut that shape out, and once it's cut, you can attach that right to the yarn. I'm going to use some tape to attach it, and that makes it a little bit easy. So there's my piece of tape, and I'm going to put a piece of tape on the yarn and attach it right to the front part of the balloon right there. And then I'm going to tape a piece of tape on the back as well so that it balances nicely. There we go. A balloon basket and a balloon all set for my toys to take a ride. If you have a real balloon, you can make a basket attached to a real balloon for a fun, different take on this same craft. I hope you enjoy this. Try it out and send us a picture of what you did. If you would like to share your crafts with us, you can share it with @home, and that's the hashtag, or you can tag our Facebook page, and we'd love to see what you're doing at home. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.